19 or 20, हाँ 20 मैचेस 19 होगा।
Salzburg, हाँ
20.
हाँ
Considering the business we do, he might be a next star.
नहीं लेकिन
so much
Coutinho आएगा तो
Willian is not in the squad, bro.
Willian is not even on the bench.
Seriously?
No man.
whoever loses the match will get Willian. Yeah.
I mean, he has to be injured then. He has to be.
Whoever
I don't think
this match will
he's
get Willian.
injured.
I
Well,
think
if he's not
Willian may
injured,
go to
he's-
Barcelona.
He started loving Arsenal
Yeah.
because that's why he didn't pick it up.
No, but why will we need Willian? I'm not understanding. He's already finished.
there's so many wingers.
He's not.
So many
My God, he's not finished. He is.
I mean, he's
What
still. I
His
think
work
he's
rate
really
is
best.
immense. His work rate is immense.
The problem with his is his inconsistency is slightly better. He may go 3 matches with good performance, but then one match it will be like horrendous. Right.
But at least, I mean, whatever I have
Thing is-
seen, Willian always starts in Chelsea's all big matches because he walks ass off.
The
I mean,
thing
he's
is-
not at all flashy. He's not very
He's not
flashy.
a-
He won't unlock defenses a lot, but
He
he
won't
does
unblock defenses, but
He does
has
a lot
the
of things
pace.
good.
He has the pace.
But,
Yes.
And the defenders, yeah, which is best.
I mean, Willian
but-
is good on a free because Martinelli will lose, I think, a lot of the next season, to be honest. And Saka
Yeah, I
can be
think
deployed
he's
in midfield.
out for the rest of 2020.
Yeah.
Oh,
And I
okay.
think Nelson can do with another loan, to be honest. I mean, he's really good, but
No.
another loan in the Premier League, maybe to Leeds or some club, will do a lot of good. And
I guess
Maybe,
Willock
maybe the thing is maybe a move to Leeds will make him choose Leeds over Arsenal, and we might
then
lose,
we'll get
we
get
might
good
lose
money
a
for
good
him.
player. I'm
Then
saying
we get
the-
good money for him. He has a long-term contract. He signed a long-term contract, I think, before he went on loan to Hoffenheim. So I shouldn't worry.
Yeah, I
on
mean-
that, yeah. And
So our lineup,
I think
the
he-
official
I
lineups
think-
are here.
he needs to be a little bit more aggressive, I think.
especially, I think Willock definitely needs a loan. He needs
Willock
to
will
bulk
come
up
up.
a bit.
Willock, we will be winning 1-0, and Arteta will bring on Willock at 75th minute. I'm saying it.
Yeah, he's like he has to
And
run
he is
around
our
and
highest goal scorer as in midfield in this season. He has got 5 goals.
That's
Nobody in
torture
mid,
against
from midfield.
that one against Liverpool.
Yeah.
anyway, I'm
The last
very
goal, in the effect of
nervous
5-5
to
draw,
be honest.
5-5 draw, yes.
When we lost
5-5.
kids.
Yeah, I mean,
Carabao
Origi
Cup,
scored in the
Carabao Cup.
95th minute.
Oh,
That was
अच्छा,
such a
Carabao
bummer.
Cup. Ah,
That was such a bummer. How did we lose?
yeah.
We are 5-3 up, and I don't know, man.
Divock Origi came in, na?
To be honest, now that we are struggling in the league,
Twice
I
up
think we
with
should
2
focus
goals. We are
more on
twice
these
up
cups.
with 2 goals on that match versus Liverpool.
Yeah, exactly.
We got twice 2 up.
3-1 and 5-3, I think. Yeah, or 4-2
At that time,
and 5-3.
One
Emery,
and five.
at
3-1
that
and
time, Emery
5-3.
was there, right?
Emery was the coach.
Yeah,
yes.
Emery was there.
Ah,
What do you guys think about Joelson Fernandes? What do you guys think about it?
Joseph Fernandez.
He's talented. I haven't seen much of him to
I
comment.
just saw his YouTube video.
I also don't know much.
YouTube
video-
everyone looks good.
Single physically to
Don't watch
play
YouTube
in
video.
Premier League.
Everyone will look good on YouTube videos. So
I
let
saw
us
the
watch
YouTube. I saw the YouTube video of George Lewis. They showed the video of only one game where he ran. Basically, he ran. Willian can run. I
that.
can.
But yeah, I
run.
mean, I
No,
think
no, no, guys,
Joelson is rated highly.
Yeah,
among
that's the
scoring,
thing.
But yeah, so
And if you
the thing
can,
is,
and
he's-
if you can
and he's
remember
a
wingers coming from
Jurassian
Portugal.
agent, right? So yeah. So if he's really that good, I think then we take him now by spending 15-16 million because later we won't be afforded. We have
Yes,
lost
we
so
all
Who
many
are we
good
talking
players
about?
like
Who are we
this.
talking about?
Joelson
Joelson.
Fernandes.
Joelson.
That's
Oh,
sporting
Joseph
guy.
Fernandez.
I
we
mean,
all
there is
know
one
how-
goal I think which where he dribbles past 5-6 players and scores. That is a really good goal. I think that is for
okay.
Portugal under 18 World Cup or something like that.
Uh-huh.
We all know how we
You
all
are talking
know
about
how
Joelson
young
Fernandes, right?
wingers turn out.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are talking about Joseph
But the
Fernandez.
problem is he doesn't
But
have
I
a
think-
single tick mark in case of physicality to play in Premier League.
I think he and
He's
Saka has the
17,
same
right? He
physical.
won't come in the first team right away.
But we can't
just
blow away
17.
a Ronaldo opportunity like that. We can't emulate
Yeah.
that mistake. like Ronaldo.
Yeah. Actually, I mean,
That's
we can
what I'm
buy him
afraid
and
of.
integrate him slowly. I mean,
Yes, we can't make the same mistake again. This guy
Same
comes from
mistake like
India.
Ronaldo, yeah.
This guy
because
comes
so
from
many
Portugal.
players have we have missed Royce, we have missed Mbappe, we have missed Ronaldo.
We have
So
We have
many
missed-
other-
Yes.
We
where we
We
were
missed
reluctant
that
to
1
spend
million
those few
bid.
millions.
We missed that 1 million bid.
Yeah, 1
Suarez.
million plus
Ah,
one,
yes, Suarez.
Suarez.
That was a
40
that
But
would have been a
actually-
game-changing one.
But
By
to
the
be
way-
honest, Arsenal did meet the release clause. I think Liverpool played strong, but there was a release clause. If Arsenal
Yeah.
like so
40
sued
million
them,
was
I
the
think
40 million was
Yeah.
the clause only.
Ah,
yeah, but I don't know
Exactly.
why they did that, but it became very infamous. But I think there was a release clause, and Arsenal could have gone ahead and sued them. To be honest,
No,
but anyway,
Arsenal
been
could have
issued.
bid 40 million or 41 million. 40 million was the release.
Yeah,
price.
that was
That-
also like
That
Ah,
one
exactly.
pound was like adding insult to injury to
In-
Liverpool.
Yeah,
So
that was derisive
exactly.
to Liverpool. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
that was
That's
very
why-
lucky of Arsenal, I think.
No, think about it. If we had signed Suarez at that time, we would
And
have
we
won
also
at
signed
least
Mesut
one
Ozil that
PL.
year.
Yeah.
Ah,
We
Aram
also
se,
signed
aram se.
Mesut Ozil that year.
we should have easily won that
Premier
that
League.
one PL, especially at the time of Leicester one.
Leicester, yeah.
Easily.
That was the one that got away.
Ah,
I
yes.
really feel that
Yeah.
was
Ah,
the
yes.
And
Really.
Ozil is prime.
Clear at the start.
2013-14 year, we are the first
I-
on the Christmas Day, I think, on New Year
yeah.
Day.
I think 3
2013-14
times we
season.
lost it. Yeah, that was 13-14. I think also the Eduardo
13-14,
injury season.
yeah.
I think Eduardo injury season in 2008-9, where I think we are in
8-9,
February 5 points ahead. Then we drew 4 games in a row and ultimately finished third with 80 points or
Yes.
something. And I
I
think
remember the
these
season we got
three-
beaten by Chelsea 6-0 when we were
That
leading
was
the table.
2013-14. Yeah, 2013-14. We
Yeah.
also
We won
lost
the first FA Cup.
5-1. We
When we won
also
the
lost
first FA Cup.
5-1.
5-1 to Liverpool. We lost.
I mean,
No,
it
5-3
just
to
shows,
Liverpool.
na. It
6-3
basically
Man City, I
shows.
can remember. 6-3 Man
It
City also.
it
I think
basically
after that-
shows how our defense has been over the years.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now that Liverpool has won the league, our pressure is on us. We have there's been a long time we have won the league. So
I mean, it's a rebuilding process. I think it will take around about
I think
2-3
we have been
seasons
telling rebuilding
minimum.
process since long time.
I mean, yes,
Every
we
season we
didn't
are
have a
telling
manager.
rebuilding process.
I don't think we had a manager who kind of like showed us, gave us hope, going into the long term. I think Mikel Arteta does.
Like Arteta for
I have one opinion from my end. This thing I will never say in football is in our blood, because that's where every fan is there. But I can share
Oh, it's
this
filled with Man
opinion,
United fans. With Man United
Very
fans.
toxic.
The whole
Uh,
world is filled with Man United fans.
Yeah, it was
No,
created
but-
by Man United fans. It is being run by Man United fans. So.
Actually, now it is run by Liverpool fans.
Then
obviously, because obvious reasons. Anyways, I just want to say that our
Suddenly
shit
so many Liverpool
defense,
fans.
our shit defense, I will blame a little bit. I'll blame Wenger actually a little bit, even though I love him. Obviously, I respect him like anything, but I will blame Wenger for this, because for those whole 15 years after we won the league, 2006, 2006.
2003-4 was the last.
2003-4.
3-4
No.
was the last.
After 3, 4, 6.
No, we didn't win.
FA Cup.
We lost in the
Just FA
Champions
Cup.
League final, no?
2004-5.
FA Cup.
2004-5
Before
we
that was
lost.
the FA Cup.
Acha, okay, fine. So,
That was the last
after
trophy.
that, then after that, mainly what Wenger did, he went for attacking mids or strikers, but he never looked after the defense.
No,
And because of that,
True.
He bought Sebastian Squillaci.
No, because there was
last
no
defense
money.
was Rob Holding. His last buy.
Because there was no money, right?
I mean,
think
I
from
know
2006
I think
to
you are the owner of
like-
Arsenal. You are saying there is no money. That is not.
See, the stadium
Who is
depth
the
will
owner?
always.
No,
the
I'll
stadium
just
depth
say
will
some
be-
stats here. I think Arsenal paid a large amount of the stadium depth by
yes,
2012
exactly.
or 13. And only after that, Wenger went and started spending. And he bought Ozil, next year he bought Sanchez, and then he bought Xhaka and Musa. So there was some
Yes.
spending at least. Before that, you see
yes.
all windows we had negative net spends. And I think And also, I think Wenger had to sign a contract at Arsenal, or else they would not
The
give
ban
the
the
It's a
ban
long-term
ban wouldn't give the
contract,
loan
the
for
loan,
making
yeah.
Emirates.
Hmm.
So I think those years
Hmm.
are extremely tough. To be honest, I
Exactly.
won't go.
Definitely.
But
Definitely.
still we
Yeah.
qualified for top 4.
Yeah. So so
Now
that
we
was
will
an
I
see.
think the
achievement.
reason,
Not
I
even
We
top
have
think
4,
a
man.
history
That's
qualifying for top 4 like a
Yeah.
consecutive season.
the reason why I think we qualified for top 4 is because the teams around us were
Yes,
basically
yes.
over
Now,
six.
Yeah,
nowadays,
they have
over the
strengthened and we
years.
have
well built.
regressed. Yeah.
Like if you look now, Everton will be spending huge. They have the new
Right.
stadium.
They are buying that Allen
They
guy
will,
from Napoli.
Wolves will be spending huge. I know Leicester City has bottled it, but they will be spending huge as well. And
Danilo Pereira.
it is there. So you kind of like see now how we are dropping. Provided if now we don't change, I think it's high time when Kroenke needs to look at himself as well.
Now it is actually a time that Arsenal has to spend money also.
They
like
have to do something like that. They have to.
but this FFP and all these things, they are somehow we should find an intelligent
Man
way to
City are doing
bypass
it
it
for
and-
fun. FFP doesn't matter.
Yeah, exactly.
No, but the thing is
And
that's
even
why
if
Don't
they're
worry
you see,
about
getting
FFP.
banned,
Milan got
their
a ban.
bans are getting.
So if you're a rich club, you have enough money to bribe UEFA or whatever, you will bypass the ban. But if you do not have money, you will get the ban. That's why
I
Milan
don't
got
know
a ban.
for what they
Atletico
gave
got
one
transfer
10
bans.
million for. For what did they give 10 million? Just throw it like away. For what?
Yeah, but
Also, I have a question. Like personally, who do you think which defender should come to this club right now? Which defender?
Upamecano.
I don't think we can buy
He
anyone.
signed new contract.
No,
think it is
he has
He
signed a
signed a new
contract
contract,
so
but his
that
release clause is 50 million.
yeah,
So if we
it's
can
just
trigger
that
it,
so
we can
that
sign him.
Yeah.
so that they get money when he is about to leave. That's all. I mean, so
I
that
think,
free men are
Malang
there.
Sarr is also
Three
there.
minutes.
Malang Sarr.
Star would
But he is like
Bro. I want to say something about Sarr. Okay.
Hmm.
If you watch his compilation videos only, then you will get to know he has a very, very good left foot. His long pass is better than Luis. I can say that. But defensively, he's just like Holding and Chambers, not at all an upgrade.
I think we
then
need
he's
to look
already fit
into.
for us.
I think we need to look now. I think we need to look into the league itself for grinding out players. Like I was like just watching what is Cody's age. Cody's age is 27 from Wolves.
Totally.
For him, there is Lewis
Dunk
Dunk.
from Brighton. Lewis
There is
Dunk from
Lewis
Brighton.
Dunk. Yeah.
these
There's Lewis
players
Dunk.
are
There's
so
Like,
Shane
expensive.
Two good
Duffy
defenders.
as well.
Expensive.
Yes,
Duffy
both
as well.
good.
Luis Dunk will be 30 soon. He's 29.
Luis Dunk is I think 29, and if you go and bid for him, Brighton will ask for 45 million at least.
We basically missed
I
out
mean,
Soyuncu.
Bournemouth are relegated and they're
Soyuncu would have been a great buy.
43. Soyuncu would have been great buy.
won't
We
come.
were linked with him when he was at Freiburg.
We had
but
the
I don't
chance
know
to
if we
buy
never
him.
followed up.
Like 2
Soyuncu,
seasons ago.
When he was at Freiburg, we should have bought him. I think
Even
we didn't.
the
No, I
relegated
don't think they will
Norwich is
come.
asking for
Now
50
it's not
million for
possible.
Ben
After
Godfrey.
Leicester
No,
is
no,
on
no,
the
no.
Europa League.
Now he won't come actually.
Yeah.
I would
Guys,
have wanted Upamecano, but the fucker signed the contract, so I can't.
Guys,
Now we are
listen,
I
even
think
the
it-
relegated Norwich, is asking
Yeah.
50 million for Ben Godfrey, their centre back.
Exactly. I mean, if Godfrey
Adam
is
Atraoui
valued
looking
at
for
50,
135.
have they have they
Sheffield also
have
has
they given,
some good centre backs.
I mean, have they given any
Sheffield is
price
heavily
for?
dependent on the system.
Have they given any price for Douglas Lewis?
No.
It will again be some 40
I
million.
think he
or whatever.
just signed.
They
He
lost
won't
40.
come.
No, I didn't
He
see.
came last year only, I think, for 15 or 18 million. So
He came from City only. No? Girona.
Douglas Luiz came on a loan, right?
no, I think.
No. He was on the loan at Girona. Then they haven't purchased him.
Bought him.
Okay,
so-
guys. So, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
So coming back to just the FA Cup final, I'll just go on every one of you. I'll individually ask the predictions, and maybe just you all can give me 2 realistic signings that you think we should do in the next season. So I'll come to everyone. So firstly, I will start with Debu Priyoda. So I guess he was not saying quite a lot during this time. So Debu Priyoda, you can tell me 2 realistic signings that you think it can strengthen our squad, and the match prediction for today, how we should play. A brief Okay,
Okay, Ronak, just make it 3 because we don't have any squad depth. So in case we are guessing, make it 3 signings.
Okay, sure. So 3 signings, okay. Yeah, Devapriya.
Okay, Coutinho and Partey, obviously, and
Okay.
one defender. I am not sure. I think Matthias Ginter got. He was. I heard some news, transfer news
Yeah,
of
but
Matthias
I think
Ginter. He was linked.
he's free, you know. That is why he's free actually, so we'll be linked
He's
with
free.
him. Yeah.
Okay,
We
so
might end up with him. Yes.
Amajit, for you.
Oh, 3 realistic signings which we will end up not buying.
Not buying, like what you think can strengthen our squad.
I think we need Thomas Partey because I know this opinion won't go great among you guys, but Lucas Torreira is finished in Premier League. And we need Thomas Partey. We need a defender. I just went for, Lewis Dunk or a Cody. I think a Cody will do us good. And I think we should go for Wilfried Zaha. If there's something happens with Alexander Lacazette or Aubameyang.
Okay, and prediction for today?
Oh, it's 1-0. We score very quickly and then we defend for our lives for the next 8 minutes.
Okay, great.
That's what
Pushpal.
where we are most vulnerable, no?
Yes.
That's what we are most vulnerable. That's what made us won against City. So I am going with the same thing. I know
Okay, Pushpal.
2-1
from
for
you
me.
now. Yeah, Pushpal.
Realistically saying, either Coutinho or Coutinho if something happens to Lacazette thing about the scenario, Coutinho or Zaha, or defensively I prefer a defender like from the EPL only. So we get that the experience factor is there. So the defender from EPL, there's many others, and for midfielder I think we should go for Thomas Partey. Like Partey is like a huge deal. Like Partey will be good duo with Xhaka. So let's see. So my prediction should
match
be
prediction
2-1. 2-1. Let's see. 2-1 for Arsenal.
Okay.
2 goals scored by Aubameyang. Let's see what happens.
One thing I have to ask, if we are putting Xhaka and Partey, so when we'll, so I mean Ceballos, कहाँ चलेगा मतलब? Number 10 पे चलाएंगे Ceballos को.
No, we have
that we can do now.
Midfield. That's why we're playing in 3-4-3. And I am damn sure that even if we don't buy anyone, started a goal for go for 4-3-3 or 4-4-2 or any of the 4-back one, because we are too much defensive. You can say what we have done against Aston Villa.
Okay.
4-3-3
So
में
quickly
भी
I
आपके
will.
3 midfielder कौन से होंगे?
Partey, Xhaka or Ceballos?
Yes,
With
in Partey
Coutinho?
and Xhaka would be like deeper down and
LCM, RCM would be Partey and CAM would be like Ceballos. Like
Xhaka would like
Coutinho?
come down a little bit.
Yeah,
That's
yes.
If और Coutinho
Holding
is there,
midfielder.
तो Coutinho कहाँ चलेगा फिर?
Coutinho will play like in the LW.
I think Coutinho is a flexible player, to be very honest.
He
He
can
is
play number 10 or in the wings. I think.
CAM.
Or wing, left
He's
wing.
more like I don't want to compare this, but he's more like a De Bruyne. He can go
number
this.
No, De Bruyne is
that's
more
right.
centrally.
De Bruyne
is more central.
De Bruyne, yes, but he can go wide. He can basically pull the strings on both sides.
Yeah,
And
he has
that's
played
what I
wide
think
before.
Coutinho can do. That's what I think Coutinho can do as well.
Okay, जिष्णु आप बताइए.
अच्छा,
मैच
तो मेरा
prediction
आज
दीजिए
का
और 2-3 अच्छा नाम
आज-
बताइए जो हम लोग को लेना चाहिए.
अच्छा, ठीक है. तो मेरा प्रेडिक्शन तो आज का है, मेरे लिए लग रहा है 2-0 होगा.
Okay.
सेम एज सिटी मैच. ठीक है, ये मैं एग्जैक्टली बोल नहीं सकता कि ओबामेयांग स्कोर करेगा या लाकाजेट स्कोर करेगा, लेकिन 2-0 हो सकता है अगर हमारा डिफेंस वैसा ही खेले जैसे कि लिवरपूल के साथ और सिटी के साथ था. तो हम लोग को ब्रीच करना मुश्किल होगा इन लोगों को, ऐसा है. और हम लोग को फ्लूक में 1-2 गोल दे देनी चाहिए, बस खत्म है. ये है. और मेरा ट्रांसफर जो मुझे एक्चुअली चाहिए, ठीक है, पहला तो मुझे अटैकिंग मिडफील्डर में मेसी चाहिए. ठीक है, चाहिए, मैं बोल रहा हूँ चाहिए.
Yeah, he is basically wanting to
नहीं
go out
मिलेगा,
of
चांस नहीं
Barcelona.
मिलेगा. साका खेलेगा मेसी के ऊपर.
हाँ,
सुनो तुम, सुनो
Messi
तुम।
wants to go out of Barcelona.
हाँ
रुको,
एग्जैक्टली।
सबर
हाँ,
करो,
ये नाटक
सुनो।
है उसका हर साल का।
कल तो
Messi
जा-
has been
अगर
doing
औजार
that.
मिल जाएगा
The
भाई शांत हो
YouTuber
जाएगा।
has become हिंदुस्तानी भाव,
मोटा
सुनो।
केक।
सुन लो,
Messi.
मेरा बात सुन लो, अच्छा
ठीक है,
टीम
पहले
बनाऊंगा
मेसी, पहले
हाँ।
मेसी नेक्स्ट।
हाँ मिडिल में, ठीक है, सीएन में
हाँ।
बैठा दो मेसी को, लेफ्ट में रोनाल्डो को ले लो, ठीक है, लेफ्ट विंग में रोनाल्डो को ले लो, और एक सेंट्रल डिफेंसिव में कैसेमिरो को ले लो, और सीबी में वरान को ले लो, खत्म। पीएल यूसीएल सेक्स ट्रिपल जीतेंगे, कौन रोक सकता है? आप रियलिस्टिक साइनिंग जो है,
राइट विंग में एम्बापे को नहीं लिए।
नहीं
इंजर्ड
हाँ,
पेले
FFP,
राइट में पेपे है, एम्बापे नहीं चाहिए,
इंजर्ड।
पेपे है।
FFP.
नहीं, ये बात
एम्बापे
है
FFP
कि ये बात है कि रियलिस्टिक साइन बोला है, ऐसा नहीं बोला है कि पहले माराडोना जोहान क्रूफ के खेलेगा।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली। अब रियलिस्टिक साइनिंग जो है, मुझे कुटिन्यो चाहिए ऑब्वियसली, और मुझे लगता है कुटिन्यो आ सकता है, क्योंकि 9 मिलियन प्लस गुंडोजी में हो सकता है। ESPN ने रिपोर्ट किया है।
सब डील
जो मैंने आज
कोइंडेस पे
शेयर
जा रहा है, कोइंडेस प्लस मनी, कोइंडेस प्लस मनी,
ठीक।
सब डील ऐसे ही हो रहा है।
हाँ
ओके,
ऐसे ही हो रहा
है ही
है।
नहीं।
तो कुटिन्यो और पार्टे अगर हुआ तो अच्छा है, बिकॉज टोरेरा इज फिनिश्ड, टोरेरा से होगा नहीं। पार्टे जाका दोनों मिलके वो डिफेंसिव मिडफील्ड होल्ड कर सकता है, वो अच्छा होगा। और एक जो सीबी चाहिए, अब सीबी में जहां तक मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है, मेरे लिए अभी तो मलंग सार सुनाई दे रहा है, काफी जॉन स्टोन्स है। आई गो फॉर जॉन स्टोन्स अबव मलंग सार, अगर दोनों में से कोई एक आए तो अच्छा है।
जॉन स्टोन्स का अपग्रेड होगा,
हाँ क्या
अपग्रेड होगा, अपग्रेड हमारे डिफेंस का अपग्रेड होगा जॉन
Are we?
देखो
See,
अपग्रेड
any-
होगा कि नहीं ये बोलना मुश्किल है, लेकिन
Because हम लोग जो
ऑप्शन ये
पोजीशन में
है।
है, हम लोग जो पोजीशन
जब
में है,
तक आके
जॉन
नहीं
स्टोन्स
खेलेगा।
टाइप डिफरेंट।
कैसे बोल सकते हैं अपग्रेड होगा
अच्छा
कि नहीं?
ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट हम शैंटन से पूछेंगे। जल्दी से दे दो, शायद 40 मिनट से
हाँ,
खत्म होने
तो
वाला है।
मेरा स्कोर प्रेडिक्शन है 2-1 इन फेवर ऑफ आर्सेनल, और जस्ट एक गोल तो हम कॉन्सिड करेंगे। क्लीन शीट रखना इज नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल फॉर अस आई थिंक। और मेरा रियलिस्टिक ट्रांसफर शायद मलंग सर ऑन अ फ्री आ सकता है, और कोटिनो तो आएगा ही आएगा हमको, मुझे लगता है, और मे बी पॉसिबल इफ पार्टे भी
Okay,
रियलिस्टिक
next.
साइन हमको लगता है।
उमंग है क्या? उमंग निकल गया क्या? चलिए
नहीं
ठीक है।
हूँ।
अच्छा
तो
उमंग,
प्रेडिक्शन मेरी 2-1 आर्सेनल, और साइनिंग स्पार्टे, कुटिन्यो और उपमाकानो। और अगर
तो sign।
2023
उपमाकानो 2023 कर लिया तो।
नहीं वो बस खाली इसलिए हुआ है कि मतलब उनको पैसे मिल जाए, फ्री में ना जाए, वरना वो फ्री में आ जाता। और अगर
फ्री में नहीं मिलता
तो ना आता है तो
मतलब
It's same
बड़े
like
कम पैसे मिलते
Warner
हैं।
के।
सीजन
It's
नहीं
like
आएगा
Warner,
शायद,
Warner।
सीजन नहीं आएगा, नेक्स्ट सीजन आ सकता है, बट
तो
इसका
फिर-
वैल्यू बढ़ गया।
तो
ठीक है,
फिर
next।
उपमाकानो जिंटर।
ओके फाइन। अरित्रो आप बताइए।
I think Coutinho is a no-brainer. I really like him because our team is struggling for creativity. I'll also like Ceballos to be on permanent actually, because it looks like he's a good buy. He can be a good buy. He's playing well now, so yeah. And I think we should buy one good center back. Maybe Pau Torres. He is good. He was recommended by Cazorla to Arsenal. I think he's
I
good
think
ball
he's joining
playing.
Barcelona.
Is he?
Yeah, they are in advanced talks.
No.
He has
Then we can
a-
get Umtiti. Then we can get Umtiti, right?
maybe Umtiti on a loan, but Umtiti is very injury prone. If he's fit, definitely Umtiti on a loan is a good idea. Yeah.
But
Umtiti on a loan
we don't have
means
any options,
basically-
right?
Umtiti on a loan basically means we stick to David Luiz, Holding and
हाँ बात वही हो जाएगा ना, सही बात
गौरव
है।
आप बताइए, प्रेडिक्शन दीजिए और ये साइनिंग अपना। सौरभ।
यस,
और
हेलो।
हाँ सौरभ सुन
बोलो
रहा है।
सुनाई दे रहा है।
ऑडिबल।
मेरा प्रेडिक्शन 2-1 है। और साइनिंग देखो, मेरे ख्याल से एक डिफेंसिव मिड ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कोटिनो से। कोटिनो भी ठीक है, लेकिन एक डिफेंसिव मिड नहीं होगा तो मुझे नहीं लगता जाका मिडफील्ड में कुछ कंट्रोल कर पाएगा। तो पहले तो पास है, या फिर 5 से ज़्यादा कॉस्टली है तो डोकोरे चीप में मिलेगा, और डिफेंस में पाव तोरे या फिर गैब्रियल लिली का। तो और मेरे ख्याल से जोएल्सन जैसा किसी को लेना चाहिए फॉर फ्यूचर।
ठीक है। अरूप, अर्जेंदु से पूछना है नहीं पूछना है प्रेडिक्शन?
तो अर्जेंदु का प्रोडक्शन डिप्लॉयमेंट है भाई, तो चला गया।
अच्छा चलो ठीक है, अच्छा ही है प्रेडिक्शन।
अच्छा आपका बताओ, सबका तो पूछ लिया, आप बताओ।
4-1
नहीं, हमको जिष्णु जैसा बोला हमको वैसा ही ठीक लग रहा है। 2-0 किसी तरह
ऐसा
अगर
क्या?
हो जाए हमारा, जिस तरह से हम लोग सिटी के अगेंस्ट किए।
बस जीतना एनीवे,
का
his goal line is fine, but I just hope we win.
जीतना है, कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है,
Any
और कोई
any
ऑप्शन ही
lineup,
नहीं है।
any
लिवरपूल
score line
और
is
सिटी
fine.
के जैसा तो नहीं है।
Just no
तो
fuck ups, no red cards, no random conceding from
हाँ
set
हाँ
pieces.
बिल्कुल
Just
नहीं।
Hope the right Louis stands up. That's the main thing.
and Luis
हाँ.
should not be left one on one with players. There should be at least someone backing him from down. This is
let's
my
see
worry
how
because
Holding
Mustafi
does.
was
इसीलिए
fast.
3 रन खेला है।
Holding का pace नहीं है. Holding space is bad. I mean Mustafi is at least good on the ball and he is quite pacey.
Yes.
It's his decision making which is bad, but Holding can be exposed.
But
Tierney
Luis
is good. I
can
think
become
Tierney will give
Luis
good
can
protection
become
to Luis.
last year Petrucci.
अच्छा अरूप अब आप बोलिए,
हाँ,
प्रेडिक्शन
बोलो।
दीजिए, दो
So as you
साइनिंग
know,
दीजिए।
I am very superstitious. So I
ए
don't
रुकिए
predict.
रुकिए मेरे पास 4 क्वेश्चन है लाइन से, आप एक बार में सारा दीजिए। सबको एक वोट ऑफ थैंक्स दे दीजिए, अपने ग्रुप के बारे में थोड़ा बोल दीजिए, और एक साल जो अभी कंप्लीट हुआ है आगे और कैसे बढ़ना है, क्या करना है, थोड़ा ये सब कुछ अच्छे से। यू हैव 5 मिनट्स ऑफ टाइम। चलिए आप शुरू हो जाइए।
तो एक्चुअली एक साल पहले जुलाई महीने में तो मैं ऑफिस में बैठकर सोच रहा था कि यार ऐसे कुछ ग्रुप होना चाहिए जिसमें बस आर्सेनल की बातें हो। मुझे आई लव दैट। सो मेरा और हिंदू और रौनक मेरा करीब है, तो उन लोगों से बात किया। सौरभ मेरा बचपन का दोस्त है, उन लोगों से बात करके ग्रुप चालू किया। तो बोला कि इधर उधर से लोगों को ऐड करो। तो फर्स्ट ऐड किया हमारे डॉन जिष्णु भैया को, सब आया। एंड फॉर ऑल ऑफ आई मीन बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ यू, सो मेरा सबसे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर अपने किसी दोस्त को भी ऐड करना है तो मतलब इन लोगों को ऐड करो जो लोग प्लास्टिक फैन नहीं है। कि अगर पिपे को 72 मिलियन से साइन कर दिया तो मतलब हर मैच पे 5 गोल मारना ही, ऐसे फैन भी हम देखेगा। तो मैं जैसे मैन्यू के अगेंस्ट पे अच्छा खेल दिया तो लिख दिया पेपे ऐसे फैन हमको नहीं चाहिए। ये सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है। तो सबसे यही है कि जैसे ग्रुप को सब बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से मतलब हेल्दी कन्वर्सेशन, हेल्दी डिबेट हो रहा है, वही रखना चाहिए। और अपनी चलेगा यही ख्वाहिश है। We'll meet somewhere after winning a treble.
हेलो, प्रेडिक्शन दे दो अपना।
तुमको पता ही, आई एम वेरी सुपरस्टिशियस, so I don't predict.
चलो ठीक है।
अच्छा हाँ ठीक है।
ठीक है चलो फिर तब।
I think we should have more of these next season as well.
Yeah, sure.
Whenever we will be getting the time to.
Yes, definitely. हम लोग को
का सक्सेस रहा इस बार जो हम लोग अरेंज किए। काफी अच्छा ओपिनियन हुआ। हम लोग एक दूसरे को देखे भी नहीं थे पहले।
हाँ।
And this is a building process as well.
Yeah, definitely.
And Somojit became our Robbie Lil.
It's time to go.
Lord. Ironically, he went only.
Yeah,
and from next time,
but the question is still there. When it is gonna end?
It will never end.
Yeah.
Yes.
And last question. I can see Devaprida is too quiet, so I will ask him. What's your thoughts about Guendouzi?
What's my thought about?
Matteo Guendouzi, our number 29.
Best player in the world.
I don't know, man. Arteta is the manager. I am nothing.
ऐसा
I mean, part of one.
वो
He's,
अच्छा
he,
था, वो पहले अच्छा था,
हाँ. I
मतलब
think
वो
he's.
लास्ट
अब भी अच्छा है लेकिन
till
उसके
December he was
एटीट्यूड
good.
के लिए उसको सोल्ड किया जा रहा है लगता है.
Yeah, if you then it's the same thing. If you
खुद का लॉस है, अगर ऐसा एटीट्यूड अगर मेंटेन करता है तो खुद का लॉस.
if you
उसका
can't
लॉस वो टीम मिल जाएगा उसका.
if you
I
can't
don't know
maintain your
what happened, because he
behavior.
looks he is talented, but why won't
You
he
will never,
upgrade?
you will never accomplish.
It looks like he has a problem with Arteta. I mean, from the beginning, I think there were rumors that Arteta did not like some of the attitude.
I think it has become as because
इसमें भी कुछ एटीट्यूड प्रॉब्लम्स था.
there must be
दुबई
some
में जो
internal
हुआ था.
problem, with not just the thing against Brighton, because this is too harsh. I mean, what is for that?
नहीं,
दुबई में भी
UAE
कुछ हुआ था. दुबई में भी कुछ
There
हुआ
must be
था.
some
दुबई
internal
में भी
problem.
कुछ हुआ था.
तो पार्टी के डील में होगा और Bundesliga को पार्टी के डील में उसको
I don't think
नहीं,
Atletico-
पार्टी डील में
नहीं, कुटिन्यो के डील में होगा.
Coutinho तो लोन होगा ना.
50 million. पार्टे के लिए
Coutinho can be permanent. Barcelona will want to get rid of both
loan
the
with
wages.
obligation to buy होगा and Windows उसके हिसाब से जाएगा क्योंकि Barcelona wants him. And another thing,
बार्सिलोना में जाना भी चाहता है.
and another thing I'm hearing in Twitter from yesterday, that is the Leeds manager Marco Bielsa can go to Barcelona.
Messi wants him, I said.
Exactly. Messi wants him.
और कुछ बाकी नहीं रहा मेसी को.
अरे मेसी को आने दो यार यहाँ पे.
नेगेटिव
मेसी को भी तो चैलेंज चाहिए, वरना घंटे का गोट है वो. खेल में आओ, खेल के दिखाओ.
Do it on a rainy night at Stoke City who are in the champion.
Exactly. ऐसे थोड़ी चलेगा. मेसी को आना चाहिए यार, सही में आना चाहिए. और आर्सेनल में ही आना चाहिए, बाकी टीम में नहीं.
And you think this one will suit better on him, you know?
Yeah, obviously. वो तो साला भूतिया टीम रेफरी खरीद के खेलता है.
I mean, and as much as we know,
2011 आरबीपी का घंटा रेड कार्ड नहीं था वो.
किसका? अच्छा आरबीपी का ना.
आरबीपी का रेड कार्ड था वो.
कुछ नहीं था.
तब से गुस्सा है मेरा
यार, तब से मुझे भी. तो मैं वो मैच देखा था, लाइव देखा था, और भी बुरा लग रहा है. पूरा लाइव देखा था वो वाला मैच.
चलो गाइस, देन ये शायद 40 मिनट्स हम लोग को होने वाले खत्म. तो
नहीं, 5 मिनट बाकी है.
4-5 मिनट बाकी है.
खत्म ही कर लेते हैं 5 मिनट में. 4-5 मिनट में मैच भी शुरू हो जाएगा.
2009 में मेसी ने 4 गोल मारा था. ऐसा कुछ है.
सबको देखना है ना कि
एमिरेट्स में नहीं मारा था वो, उसमें मारा था. क्या पे मारा था?
तो सबको देखना है ना.
हां, अल्मुनिया था ना कीपर.
चलो ठीक है.
न्यूट्रल फैंस के लिए आज तो होगा एफटीपी और एंग्री रेडमैन. न्यूट्रल फैंस.
हां, सही में. अगर चेल्सी हार गई आज तो रेडमैन तो पागल हो जाएगा.
एक सच बात बताओ. Even I know it's too tough, but even if we win, so will it be revenge? I don't think.
It will be a cherry. It will be basically when you go to a mela, you don't eat food, but you find an ice cream stall at the end. So you take that ice cream and you leave the mela. It will be a little bit like that only. I mean, it has been a nothing season, a dreadful season basically. But if you can match it with trophy, well, Spurs have been finishing 7th for a long time and has been winning nothing. So, I'm not saying anything, but...
Okay, guys, so we have around 50 minutes left of the match. So be ready.
Yeah.
And Somojit, you can go to washroom once again.
No, I have gone. I actually went there. I'm ready. I'm actually buzzing right now. I'm actually buzzing right now.
You can have one picture before the match.
बिल्कुल. मेरा ओल्ड मॉन्क रेडी है. वैसे भी.
So you meet in the group. So thank you everyone for joining. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Thank you to everyone.
Thank you everyone. It was a great meeting. Yeah.
Best of luck.
Thank you to everyone, and we will win today.
Yes. See you, YG.
Come on, you gunners.
Come on, you gunners.
Come on, you gunners.
See you, YG. Come on, you gunners.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.